Hey, welcome to Sean on the Go. It is Friday afternoon. I am just wrapping up work and packing up. We're going to be heading over to the Sacramento Airport this afternoon and flying off to San Diego for just 2 nights, a little quick short weekend getaway. Well, I just went through TSA security pre-check here at the Sacramento Airport and beat Sonia through the gate. I should say through security on the way to the gate. So we have about 30 minutes till our flight boards, and yay, we'll be in San Diego in about 2 hours.
We had a peaceful flight of just over an hour, and then this happened.
And there's yelling and touchdown. That's happening.
As soon as we touched down, we drove to the Wonderland Ocean Pub just a few miles away in Mission Beach. We got there just in time for sunset and got a nice table inside with a view. The food was good, the drinks were overpriced, and they had a lot of eclectic artwork, a nice theme going on. We left the pub after dark and it was getting cold, but we took a few minutes to walk around the Mission Beach area as we'd never been here before. It was a short drive over to Coronado Island and our hotel, the Lowe's Coronado Bay Resort. We had a lovely room overlooking the pool. Since we got here later in the evening, we decided to have a cocktail out on the patio near the fire pits. As the night grew on, we found ourselves meeting some really nice people from all over Southern California. We woke up to a beautiful morning as the gray skies were burning away into beautiful blue skies, so we decided to tour the property as it was situated on Coronado Bay with lovely views, lots of tropical, beautiful flowering plants and trees, before heading to the pool. There are several pools and 2 hot tubs, not to mention a bunch of large toys for kids and adults to play with. So we had a little lunch and a few cocktails near the pool before heading out for the day.
Hey, cheers from San Diego. We're here at Lowe's Coronado Beach Hotel. We're over the pool, as you can see. A lot of people out enjoying it on this kind of gray day. It's about 70 degrees today, and we're going to take off and go to the infamous Coronado Hotel, just 4 or 5 minutes up the road, and go to Mission Beach and rent some bikes and pedal around it and have some lunch.
This was my first time touring the Hotel del Coronado.
Oh yeah. I like the indoor-outdoor front desk. Pretty cool, huh? That is fancy.
This is special.
It's like you're in a big old 1800s plantation here, huh?
Exactly.
With the palm trees. Oh, cool. I love the plants. Look at these plants. Hi.
We toured the hotel grounds, including this patio, with a beautiful view overlooking the pool restaurant area out towards the beach. The front of the hotel was under construction when we got here, so this was the main walkway leading towards the beach, although I don't know if this is normally the route you would take. The beach scene was reminiscent of something you would expect to see on the East Coast.
Oh, good morning. It's Sunday morning. We're getting ready to check out of our hotel in the next hour or two. I don't know if you can see behind me, it's actually wet. It's raining, lightly raining, but still raining none the same. Everything is wet around us, and we're supposed to take off, go to Mission Beach, and go tour Old Town San Diego. So Should be a nice day.
It was a bit colder than we expected this day, so we headed over to Mission Beach for the morning and cut it short and eventually went on to Old Town San Diego. You can see the beach boardwalk area was pretty empty. Eventually, after we had some breakfast, the crowds got a little thicker, but it actually got colder. So we went over a few blocks away, got a massage, and headed over to Old Town San Diego. Our waitress coincidentally lived in the Old Town San Diego area and let us know that they were having an event this weekend, Cinco de Mayo celebration. So we were in luck that we had some festivities to enjoy. There was a lot to see in Old Town San Diego this day, but we were heading over to get a bite to eat and a cocktail before our flight, so we had to of course check out the women making tortillas on the street at Cafe Coyote. There was lots of live music and plenty of food, not to mention we met some really nice people. Well, maybe not all people, but still, we had a very good time. And don't forget to check out Jalen Roach, who works at Cafe Coyote and is releasing a new album soon. And on that note, it was time to head for the airport.
Watermelon sugar.
Hi.